Mm, I'm recording myself in a serious way. Hello? What is this? Okay, welcome, everybody, to a game I've been playing many of times called Blocky Road. I'm gorgeous. I built this. Took an hour to build. But if anyone wants to know, a secret is so I'm just gonna make it out classic. Class. I'm gonna make it out white. You know what? Just so there's team, and another box. I built this because my brother and me wanted to play a little battle. You can see right there, I outlined some gas, a hood, and that window looks like it's going down. So, and one more I built the first time I played the game. I played this game 2 years ago. This, the BC213, and this boom. I forgot I named it TNT. Sorry, everybody. You know, this one's called 6-wheel. I made this truck from one of these, and wait, no. This one, because every time I try to record this, it always stops. See how fast it goes? It's not actually that fast in some levels, but it's pretty fast. So fast as beating this level. I love this. I built it so good. And boom, add. Now, I don't like the. Who's this? Looking at my hand. Wait, what? Ninja Man. Yeah, my favorite. Now, hope you enjoyed this. Not very long, but pretty cool, wasn't it? If you want me to make another, comment down below. And this is my first video on games. Good. No, wait. Good.